Hey guys, this is Scott from Trim That Weed, and today we're going to talk about how to bug-proof your electrical outlets. This video will take you through everything you need and provide methods to keep your electrical outlets free from annoying bugs, so stick around for the best guide. First, seal cracks and gaps around the electrical outlets. Bugs can enter electrical outlets through cracks in walls, baseboards, windows, and doors near the outlets, as these are common entry points for persistent pests. I will mention the most effective materials and how you can use them to seal these cracks and gaps. 1. Caulk. Caulk is effective for sealing small cracks or gaps. Simply load the caulk into a caulk gun and apply it directly into the crack, focusing on areas where the wires enter the walls. 2. Expandable spray foam. Expandable spray foam works well for larger gaps. Start by spraying a small amount to gauge how much is needed as it expands. Use a razor to trim any excess foam before it dries. You should inspect these sealed areas regularly for signs of pests returning to the outlets. Install outlet seals. Outlet seals provide secure protection for electrical outlets, making it difficult for bugs to get in. To do this, you will need foam gaskets or outlet covers. Before installing the gasket or cover, ensure no one is using the outlet and switch off your home's power at the circuit breaker. Remove the cover plate and place the gasket or seal behind it. Reinstall the cover plate securely to prevent bugs from entering. Alternatively, you can purchase outlet covers specifically designed to keep pests out. Use essential oils. Essential oils are proven to help keep annoying bugs out of electrical outlets. You can use them as natural repellents to deter insects. Oils such as eucalyptus and peppermint can prevent bugs from entering outlets. Citronella can be used to repel mosquitoes, while lavender is effective against moths. So there you have it. Bugs can deter you from having a clean home and peace of mind. However, dealing with them should be hassle-free and affordable. I hope this helps. Feel free to leave a comment, like, and share this video. Till next time.